Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do some installation on my scooty. We're gonna install this clutch protector or brake protector, whatever you call it. I ordered this one's from Flipkart. It was around 350. Came today only. So my scooty is a bit dirty. I have to wash it first, then I'll install this part. Okay, see. In order to install that one, you need to take out this one. Just use screwdriver. Get out. You don't need it anymore. So this one, you just keep it here like this. Yeah, here's the final product. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Peace.